I have to have other people doing stuff for me. I mean, I'm sure it would be easier if I was able to just get up, make my own breakfast and head off to uni. But it's just the way it is. It's my life. And it's the only one I got, so...
This is Blake. He has Duchenne muscular dystrophy, also known as DMD. DMD is found primarily in boys as it is inherited within the X-linked recessive pattern. This disease affects 1 in 3,500 boys. Women who are carriers usually do not know they are carriers unless told within family history, and they have a 50% chance of passing with each pregnancy. Symptoms start in boys ages 1 through 6 with declining motor skills, and these skills continue to decrease throughout their lives. Eventually, skeletal and muscular deformities occur, such as breathing problems and cardiomyopathy. Here's a diagram of different areas of the body that it affects. Dystrophin is the largest known human gene. It is located in skeletal muscles and cardiac muscles, nerve cells, and neurons within the brain. The cytogenic location on the X chromosome is at the position P21.2 to P21.1.
Dystrophin is thought to serve as a link from actin-binding cytoskeleton of the muscle cell through the plasma membrane to the extracellular matrix. Mutations in dystrophin result in Duchenne muscular dystrophy. These are comparisons of what a healthy skeletal muscle looks like compared to Duchenne skeletal muscle. The mutations of the gene causes substitution of myofibers by connective and adipose tissue. The dystrophin gene has 79 exons and has over 2 million base pairs. The exons are precisely linked together like a puzzle to make instructions for making dystrophin that is required for healthy skeletal muscles. If there is any error in the exons, it leads to a mutation.
A gene consists of a series of codons that correspond to certain amino acids which make up a protein. On a functional gene, there is a stop codon at the end, which means the protein is complete. You can compare this process to a sentence made up of 3-letter words ending with a period. The most common mutation is called the frameshift mutation. It occurs when a nucleotide is removed due to errors in DNA replication. It causes the stop codon to appear in the middle of the protein. It results in a non-functional dystrophin protein. Similarly, if a letter is deleted, the sentence no longer makes any sense. This does not allow the rest of the exons to function properly. Although the disease has no cure, taking steroids are a way to prolong lifespan and control symptoms. LASA is a glucocorticoid that reduces the loss of muscle strength and function. Gene therapy is a method of controlling symptoms. It aims on fixing the mutated dystrophin gene. By using molecular plaster, a small piece of DNA is used to mask the exon containing an early stop codon. The result is a functional dystrophin protein with a slightly shorter central rod. A limitation to this technique is ensuring that the technique only affects the dystrophin gene and no other cells.
Now that my body is getting weaker and I'm able to do less, I've had to just place trust in people's hands and hope for the best.